Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're new to this channel, if today is your first time discovering this channel, oh my god, you are welcome. I am so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy, and on this channel I'll be bringing you latest news and gists. And if you would like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on the red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. With that being said, let's get into the video. Let's watch together.
My people, make una remember say tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is the day our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be going to the courts. We all have to stand with him. Whether rain they follow, sun they shine, earthquake they blow, breeze they blow, whatever, we must be with him. Nnamdi Kanu said that he's not going to disappoint us, that we the one that are going to disappoint him. So my question is, are you among those that are going to disappoint him? The answer must be capital no. We must stand with him. If we will not stand with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, Fulani go kill him. Go kill him. Then go kill him. Now their way be that. They just they wait ground to see the reaction of people, to see how people going to react. That is Fulani system for you. We need to follow them bumper to bumper. If they want peace, we are ready for peace. If they want ya, we follow by ya. Anyhow. The only thing is all your leaders, they are busy preaching unity. Who are you preaching unity to? The people, the Fulani you call your masters, they are not ready for unity. They are not ready to keep Nigeria one. So why are you still shouting one Nigeria? Many of us are ready for one Nigeria if it can work. But you are saying it is not working. And it can never work. How can you go to a foreign land and import Fulani, more Fulani into Nigeria and start slaughtering people? And they say you are trying to keep Nigeria one. How? To mix them up. To mix them. What exactly do you want? And would you want to achieve by mixing all Fulanis together with the Igbo people? Why? Because they have their target in the future to conquer them. And so when you conquer them, what happened? In Somalia, is it not 100% Muslim in Somalia? Are they not fighting? You want to conquer Igbo man? Come conquer now with them. Maybe we see how it will be. You can only conquer those politicians, not we. One of my friends asked me, what is behind this Fulani impunity, everything they are doing? I say, unity. Fulani, they are united in everything they are doing. When they say yes, yes is yes. No is no. If you and like, make them talk. If you like, let them talk. America talk. You know, consign them. Their yes is their yes. Their no is their no. The only way you find the stupid ones is in the south. Yoruba Igbo, Niger Delta. That is where you get the most stupid people on this planet Earth. Some go say, nah, I don't insult them. Not insult, not true. Because we lack unity. How can you tell me Fulani, few, just small Fulani, just squeeze everybody, wash everybody like towel, they dry everybody, and nobody is talking. Even the youth who's supposed to talk, they use it as a comedy. My brother, when you came out in your Facebook, you must be serious. Show people that you are not happy. Talk. See my face, Fulani. How can I be scared of Fulani who just came to Nigeria? I'm the son of the soil. For me to be afraid in my father's land? For what? See my face. When they hide on my face, hey, no talk, no talk. You go die there slowly. Or you run. That's what they want from you. Either you run or you die there. Or you fight. Three things is involved. One, either you fight against what they are doing. You are not fighting them because you hate them. No, we do not hate anybody. We love everybody. The Fulani, we love them. But what we don't like is keep this killing. No. Don't kill your fellow human being. For what? You say land. Sambisa Forest is enough to create one country. Go there. There is money in the oil. You are the one controlling the oil. Suck the oil, sell it, use the money. Go and develop Sambisa Forest. Dig borehole everywhere. There will be grass everywhere. The land will germinate for food. Why mixing up with people? Why? What do you want to achieve by mixing your Fulani with Igbos? We cannot live together. Say your own, I say my own. Which kind of rubbish with this one? I said, see my face. Somebody don't go enter my house to come kill me. I go begin to hide my face. You a coward. You where they hide their face. You don't want talk. Everything na comedy for una. Anything we Fulani do now, you are youth. The only thing Nigerian youth can do, they use it as comedy. Be serious, bold, and talk. The only once everybody go die in this life. Only one person they die. Only one time. You don't just say person die 2 times. Buhari now una no go see am again. You don't die. Upon all those gara when you do before you die. You don't die. All those things. Vanity upon vanity. Rubbish. Huh? How can we be every time shouting of one problem? Unity, unity, unity. Do you see Fulani like people who want to unite Nigeria? Do you see them like people who want to Nigeria to be one? Nonsense. Listen, let me tell you. They're only deceiving you. They deceive you. Our oil. Igbo man do this. Igbo man do that. Igbo man sell fake pass. Igbo man sell fake this, fake that. You see what happened in Oba, in Cubana place? You see Igbo boys. You see them. These are men who struggle to make money. You see the money they're spraying there? It came out from the fake pass. I know some of you will be talking, this is juju money, this is ritual money, this is Yahoo money. Lie, nothing like Yahoo money, nothing like ritual money. That money where you this so legit. See them that they suffer. See me now, I dey here now, they struggle now, they look for market where they say when I go bring to Africa to sell. Where another person no go bring them. No only me, I need to import those goods. That is what I'm searching for. When I don't get exactly what I want, now if the thing start going market now, I become rich man. Tomorrow you say I'm a ritualist or Yahoo man. Struggle, not there, they depend on oil. All those money where they spray that, do you see all those men like people who deal on oil? Nobody dealing with oil there. Now they deceive, they just carry Igbo man, matter, front for una face. Una they the wear Igbo man, follow from back, they suck your oil. They suck you dry, they destroy you now. When they search for Igbo man, where una go hate. They hate Igbo man. Useless people. Hate Igbo man. Someday will they go home, whether you like it or not. Tomorrow is the day. We must support our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Don't mind what people say. Listen, this is the time they are coming with many strategies. So all those Facebook men, they go start to write rubbish, they write this one do that one do that. Don't let anybody distract you. Anything where you see on Facebook, no listen until our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is out. Don't listen to anybody. Deceivers, they are everywhere now, writing, commenting. Now their way. Person where they comment, they write, say you want to one Nigeria. Check in life. You no get food, you no get water to wash in clothes. You never brush in teeth for how many days? You still looking for one Nigeria. No, na charcoal you take the brush in teeth. You say na one Nigeria. No money to buy McLean to brush in teeth. Dinner. Tomorrow Abuja will stand with our leader. Now we be the son of the soil. No fear anybody. No fear any bagger. Now we get the land. Why must you fear anybody? A stranger, when they speak French, who come to intimidate you, say they fear, you they crazy? A stranger, when they speak French. See some Igbo, all the police will go there to assassinate people. Now French, then they speak. None of them they speak Igbo. They speak Hausa or Yoruba or Nigerian, any Nigerian language. French. I come here, I come to talk rubbish. Tomorrow, we go stand with them. If you know say freedom, whether you be IPOB or not IPOB, you know say you want freedom. Go there tomorrow. Tomorrow is tomorrow. Go there. And there where our freedom will come from. Everybody match go there. Whether you be Igbo, you be Niger Delta, you be Yoruba, you be Middle Belt, go there. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for everybody. If you like, go there, sit down, say, hey, this is Biafran people. The Fulani go kill you. You alone, they go kill you. Come unite, then we unite. Come together, we go march together strong. They don't go fit do anything. That is the game. That is that juju. Wey Fulani they do. They take cage everybody. They are united. We have to unite too. Strong one. They go run away. Nonsense.